Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Canadian Workshop. Today we're working on a 2008 Arctic Cat TRV 650. The issue that we're having with this bike is the ignition switch. This bike would randomly shut off while we're out on the trail, and it took a while to get to this point. But what's happening is you turn the key on and the pod comes on, but if you move the key just a little bit, you can see the power comes off on the pod. So while you're driving, the power will cut off. So that's one thing that you can check if your power's just intermittently or sporadically shutting off on your bike. Check your ignition switch, make sure there's no issues. So we've ordered a new ignition switch and we're going to replace that right now. And one thing that I found is I've had to replace the key on one of my ATVs before, and it's actually cheaper to replace the whole ignition switch than it is to replace just the key itself. So to replace this ignition switch or key switch, all you have to do is use an adjustable wrench or whatever you can use to grab this plastic key here, or plastic nut. Take that off. This module just pops out the back and you'll have one plug-in back here. So you'll just have the plug-in back here. You need to press down on this tab and this outlet, this little plug will pop off. And there's your old ignition module. And if you look, this here is your key number. This one is your ignition module number. So if you need to replace it, you'll need this number here. If you're ordering a new key, well, that's the number you're looking for there. So now we have our new ignition module. We're just going to plug that in. That snaps in nice and tight. Take this top piece off, and you'll see there's a locator pin on the key switch itself, and that lines up with a slot here in the pod, so you can't get mixed up and it won't spin around on you. So just line that up, pop that in, then just snug up this plastic nut again. Don't need to over tighten it, it's just plastic. So I'm just going to snug it up just a little bit. That's on. Now we have our new keys, and these ignition switches come with two keys. And there you go. Now you have the switch replaced, and you can wiggle it, and you'll see it doesn't turn off. So that's it. That's how easy it is to change out the ignition switch on a 2008 Arctic Cat TRV. Thanks a lot for watching. I really appreciate it. If you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of any of my upcoming videos. We'll see you on the next one.